We will use the overflow property here to control overflow behavior. To demonstrate this, let's go ahead and make the overflow hidden. Now, making it hidden will hide the overflow, and this cuts off any content after the border. This is useful in some situations, but can be problematic in cases where such a cutoff might cause vital information to be missed. A common option, especially with text, is to use the scroll property value. Now, this enables us to scroll when the content overflows. This is a wonderful solution because while it prevents overflow, we're able to still see all the content within the box through scrolling. As you can see, we can now scroll and see the overflow content. You will notice that we have scroll bars on both axes, the X and Y axis. For this current situation, we need scroll bars on the Y axis. To have us scroll on the Y axis, we use the overflow Y property and set it to scroll value. You can also scroll on the X axis using the overflow X, though generally you want to scroll vertically on the Y axis. What happens if there is no overflow? You will notice that the scroll bars are still present. In some situations, you might want the scroll bars only to appear when there is an overflow. To do that, we set the overflow value to auto. That way, when the content does not overflow, we do not get scroll bars. But when there is an overflow, we do. That way, your website is kind of responsive and the scroll bars only appear when you have content to overflow.